When you're out there getting offers for a single family house, who's your competition? Everybody. No matter what, no matter if it's a duplex or this 10plex, only pay what the property can pay for itself. Because if you pay any more, you're losing money. All right, so this is what we have. The 10-unit student housing apartment. All right, so as you can see, it's 10 units. These look similar, but they're actually two different buildings. They're on two parcels of land, and they're two fourplexes, plus in the back are two studios. So a total of a 10-unit. What's really appealing about this is 1 block away from downtown Main Street, where you got all the bars, breweries, restaurants, activities, comedy clubs, nightclubs. So it's a really popular spot. When I was walking past this, I was using my Driving for Dollars app, marked it, and I noticed some reasons why this hasn't sold. So this was originally listed, and I'll show you the listing here. Okay, so I use PropStream. PropStream tells me everything. It even tells me how much is left on the mortgage, which is especially important when you want to do seller financing deals. You want to know all the details about the property as much as you can prior to getting involved with the seller. What is glaring here? There's a few problems. First, we'll look down towards the bottom on the left, you'll see listing. So this was listed for $2.4 million. Now you continue going to the right, status failed, days on the market 133. I don't like going to realtors because realtors don't have all the information. I want to know the details. I want to know the expenses. I want to know the mortgage amount, the interest. I want to know, most importantly, why do they want to sell? Because if I know why they want to sell, then I can arrange creative financing for a win-win deal, so it benefits them. Because if you are able to create a deal that benefits the seller, why would they say no? And it's not always about the price, right? It's about what they want to do with the money. How can you solve their problem? Anything over 4 units is a commercial loan. Most commercial loans are assumable. Pro forma is a guess. Whenever you see a pro forma, and you're going to see that in multifamily mostly, it's a guess. Any property you buy, always check the numbers, because this view right here it's a sales brush. It's trying to grab you in, so then you end up buying a rotten egg. So due diligence before even the offer. You would never give anybody your tax document of your profit and loss. Why? Because when you're paying your taxes, you want to exaggerate your expenses, right? You want to say, yeah, I didn't make that much money, don't tax me as much. So the second column is 2019, full year 19, right? Can you read that? $2,100, you guys see that? So he's saying he spent $2,100 on landscaping 2019, but his sales brochure, 2019 expenses, snow removal and landscaping, $4,000. So what's the real number? So I could call him up and say, hey, this one says 4 and this one says 2. Well, if I say that, I'm going to put him on guard, and now I'm going to lose the relationship I have with him, the transparency that he's giving me. So instead, I asked him, who does your landscaping? Who does your snow removal? He does. Now, a good deal usually for a bank loan is between 1.25 and 2. If you're able to get 2 or greater, buy it. That means the income is able to pay twice as much as the debt. And when you're raising private capital, so instead of using a bank for the mortgage, you're using somebody else's money, you want to be super conservative. So I want it as close to 2 as possible, because I want a good relationship. I want to make sure I pay them plus more to make it safe. Cap rate, this is why I don't like cap rate too much, because cap rate doesn't account for the mortgage and it doesn't account for maintenance. If you search for a VA loan, somebody down the street has a VA loan, no matter if you're a veteran or not, that loan is assumable. That's huge. That means your seller financing it got really easy. You can just take over the monthly payments. That's it.